Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing both camera audio and your clean external audio into one event so Final Cut can see them together. Make sure frame rates and audio sample rates match. Mismatches create drift later. Next, rename or tag the matching takes so you don't grab the wrong clips. Then, select the video clip and the corresponding external audio clip together. That selection is what you'll use for automated syncing, which saves time versus manual alignment. Once clips are selected, use the Synchronize Clips command and choose audio as the sync reference. Final Cut analyzes waveforms and aligns peaks automatically. After it finishes, open the synchronized compound clip and visually compare waveforms between camera and external audio to confirm alignment. If you see small offsets, disable the camera audio or reduce its volume. Then nudge the external track in the timeline by single frames, or use to finish, mute or delete the camera's onboard audio and use the synced external track as your primary audio, then render or playback to confirm stability. Make sure to watch the entire clip for drift, especially on long takes. If you notice gradual misalignment, split the clip where drift begins and resynchronize segments, or use timecode-based syncing if available. One quick troubleshooting tip: if auto-sync fails, align a visible clap or loud transient manually, and then ripple adjust subsequent clips to maintain sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.